Why selling is important? It's no secret that selling is important. After all, without sales, businesses would have no revenue and would quickly go out of business. However, not all sales are created equal. Some salespeople are much more successful than others. What separates the top performers from the rest of the pack? The answer lies in understanding and mastering the three secrets of selling: product knowledge, people skills, and persistence. Now let's go with the product knowledge. Successful salespeople know their products inside and out. They can speak confidently about features, benefits, and pricing. They understand the needs of their customers and can match those needs with the right product. In short, they know what they're selling and they're able to sell it effectively. Now, let's go with the people skills. People buy from people they like. It's as simple as that. When you know people, you're able to build a rapport with them and get them to trust you. People buy from people they like and believe in. And the third one is persistence. One of the best ways to learn how to sell is by selling. If the prospect likes you and feels that you're a person he or she can trust, it will be easy to close the sale. Now, with the persistence, salespeople need to be persistent. They need to keep in selling until they get the order. Secret number 1. Understand what your customer wants. Your buyer is not interested in your product. They are not interested in what your product can do for them. It is your job to find out what they want and how your product can help them. To do this, you need to understand their problem. What are they trying to achieve? What are their goals? Once you know this, you can position your product as the solution to their problem. Secret number 2. Focus on the benefits, not the features. When you are selling your product, it is important to focus on the benefits that it will provide for the customer, not just the features. Features are things that your product has, but benefits are things that your product will do for the customer. Secret number 3. Build trust. If you want to make the most money from selling, you need to build trust with your potential customers. People are more likely to buy from someone they can trust. So it's important to establish yourself as a trustworthy person or business. There are a few ways you can do this. Be transparent. Don't try to hide anything from your potential customers. If there's something they should know about your product or service, tell them. This will help build trust and avoid unpleasant surprise later on. Be responsive. If a customer has a question or concern, respond as quickly as possible. Showing that you're responsive and care about your customers' needs will go a long way in building trust. Keep your promises. If you say you're going to do something, do it. Let's go for secret number 4. Make it easy to buy. A lot of people think that the best way to make money is to offer a low price. However, this isn't always the case. Sometimes you can make more money by making it easy for your customers to buy from you. One way to do this is to offer a variety of payment options. For example, if you're selling products online, you should offer different methods of payment such as PayPal, credit card, or even bank transfer. This way, your customers can choose the method that suits them best. Another way to make it easy for your customer to buy from you is to offer free shipping. This is especially effective if you're selling products that are heavy or bulky. By offering free shipping, you'll encourage more people to buy from you since they're worth it and they are paying extra for the shipping cost. So conclude with how you can put these secrets into action. After watching this video, you should have a good understanding of the 3 secrets of selling. How to make the most money. Now it's time to put them into action. If you're selling a product, the first secret is to find a niche market. This is a group of people who have a specific need that your product can fill. Once you've found your niche, you need to focus on building trust with your potential customers. This can be done by creating helpful content that solves their problem. The second secret is to create a sales funnel. This is a process that takes potential customers from awareness all the way through to purchase. By mapping out this journey, you'll be able to create content and offers that meet them in each stage. The third and final secret is to always be testing and optimizing your sales process. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing videos. Feel free to share your thoughts by commenting below.